So today we are making some quick, healthy dinner recipes that are going to be your new go-tos. They are so delicious. So if you're a fan of healthy food that also tastes amazing, make sure to subscribe. So the first one we're making is this quick salmon bowl. This is so easy to make, especially on weeknights. I'm just taking some wild salmon and some cauliflower rice and putting that on some parchment paper because it's an easy sheet pan meal. I put a little bit of garlic salt as well as some smoked paprika for flavor, and then all you have to do is put this in the oven, and everything will be in the description box below. Once it's all done, after about 20 minutes, I squeeze some lemon on the top for some bonus flavor, and it is so delicious. We have some great healthy fats, protein from the salmon, plus it's loaded with omega-3s, which is really good for your brain health and inflammation. I finish it off with some green onions, and you have this really quick, delicious meal that is good for your brain and for your whole body. Then we are making this quick stir fry. So I'm starting off by marinating my chicken in some coconut aminos. This adds a lot of wonderful flavor without adding a ton of salt. So I highly recommend coconut aminos as something you just have as a staple in your kitchen. I'm just browning each of the sides, and after a few minutes, I'm adding in these sauté blend of mushrooms. Mushrooms are loaded with antioxidants, and when we get a blend, you get all the different ones from all the different mushrooms. I'm adding in some broccoli, which is a great cruciferous vegetable that helps to balance hormones because it has I3C. Some ginger, which is good immune support. Some garlic, which is also good immune support, as well as loaded with really great things for our body to help it kind of stay balanced. A little bit of coconut aminos once everything has kind of steamed a bit, and then adding in a tablespoon of tahini, which adds a wonderful sesame flavor, but also some healthy fats, which helps make the stir fry really nice and satisfying. I do add a little bit of tapioca starch, which helps to make the sauce kind of more thick and stick to our vegetables and our chicken, and then you are ready to go. You have this quick stir fry, and honestly took 10 minutes, loaded with great veggies, flavor, healthy fats, and is nourishing. And then we are making garlic pasta. So I've had some requests for some plant-based meals, so I want to try to include one in my dinner video. So I'm using lentil pasta. It's really important to get enough protein when you are vegan, so I suggest using pastas that are made from lentils. You want to save some of the water after your pasta is done according to package directions. After straining, add in some olive oil and some garlic into the saucepan on medium heat and kind of stir that through until the garlic begins to be golden. You'll see it literally turn like a golden brown color. Then you can add your pasta back in, as well as the starchy water that you saved from when you cooked it. Now this is key to getting some really good tasting pasta. I added in some vegan plant-based Parmesan cheese and stirred that through until it kind of melted along with our garlic sauce. So this is another really quick meal, came together in about under 15 minutes, depending on how long your pasta takes to cook. Mix it all together and you have this wonderful plant-based meal that is high in protein. And like I said, it's super important to get enough protein as a vegan so that you have all the amino acids that your body needs. So I hope you guys enjoyed these healthy dinner recipes that are quick, easy, and of course delicious. Make sure to subscribe for some more delicious healthy recipes, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.